Aku buat fingerprint jari kaki pun, dia angkat kaki aku letak kat phone, aku tak akan bangun. WhatsApp and Telegram sekarang semua pakai fingerprint, confirm sus. I think that one is more to security reasons for kalau orang luar jumpa. I know for a fact that with the way aku tidur mati, kalau dia jangan cakap jari tangan ni, kalau aku buat fingerprint jari kaki pun, dia angkat kaki aku letak kat phone, aku tak akan bangun. So yeah.
For my phone and my wife's phone, we have the same passcodes.
Oh, passcode.
Yeah, the same. So whenever I go, kalau my phone kat toilet ke atau dekat luar ke kat apa, she can just log in and I can log in her phone the same thing. So we use each other phone actually to research benda, that kind of thing.
Do you guys know of some people? Because I do know of some people yang fingerprint, kira dia tak pakai. We all use what? Kalau fingerprint lock, ibu jari.
Ibu jari ya.
Dia tak pakai ibu jari.
Dia pakai apa?
Either one lah. Either one of the jari. Kadang dia tukar-tukar every night sebelum dia tidur. Pasal dia pernah kena tangkap, bini dia kira pakai fingerprint dia. Time dia tidur mati, fingerprint dia no.